everybody, my name is Lisa and I'm here at the Children's Museum of Brownsville. Today's month is all about back to school. So we're going to make a back to school craft and we're going to be making a pencil holder or a crayon holder for other words. So our materials will be construction paper. It can be any color. You can pick blue, pink, red, yellow. You can do the colors of the crayons if you want. We're going to need some school glue, a ruler. Mine's a little bit large, but you can use a little small one as well. You're going to need a black marker preferably, one pencil, and some scissors. Oh, and last but not least, a cup. You can use a styrofoam cup, any cold cup that you have lying around the floor or the house or anything like that. I chose my favorite cup because it's pink, so I'm going to be doing that today. This craft is suitable for all ages, so parents, you can get involved with your children, so you can just help them with the scissors or anything like that. So let's go ahead and begin. The first thing we're going to do is get a piece of construction paper and we're going to measure it. Now, we're going to be making little crayons. So we're gonna need about like an inch or two. So we're gonna measure it. We're gonna make a straight line vertically and we're going to make a straight line across. Here we go, we set this one to the side and then I'm going to get the blue construction paper and do the same thing. And here we go. Now my pink one. And there you go. And like I said again, you can do other colors. It doesn't have to be pink or blue or red. You can do variations. So I'm gonna get my scissors and I'm going to be carefully cutting it straight across. Here's one. So we set this aside. There's another, and the last red. There we go. Now, after this, we're going to get our cup and we're going to measure it from the bottom, just like this, all the way to the top. So we're gonna measure it and then we're gonna fold it once it reaches the top. Make a little fold like that. Set the cup aside and we're gonna cut where we folded our paper like that. So we're gonna cut it just like that. And then we're gonna do the same one with the pink construction paper and the blue one. So we're gonna fold it. I'm gonna cut it. And then we're gonna fold this one too. And there we go. And cut it. Here we go. Now after you guys have your shape done, you guys can measure it again. Make a little line with your pencil, just to make sure where to cut it. And then again. This way you won't be doing it all over again with the cup and everything. Much easier. So we're gonna cut where we put the little line, just like that. Like that. And we set the little papers aside. And we're going to do the same thing with the pink. Just like that. And the pink. And the little leftover papers, we set them aside because we're going to be using them right now. All right, there we go. After that, the little leftover pieces of paper are going to come in handy because this is going to be the little top, the little pointing part of the crayon. So we're gonna draw about like a little triangle on top, just like this, and we're gonna trace it with our marker. And the little triangle should look something like this. So we're going to be cutting it out with our scissors. There we go. And then we're gonna get our little blue crayon and we're gonna put a little bit of glue just on the edge. Make sure not to put a lot of glue because then it'll get real sticky. So open it a little bit more. And we're going to stick it just like that. See? Our next step is we're gonna get our black marker and we're going to make like a little wave on the little crayon. So we're gonna make just like a wave, just like this. And we're going to color the top part right here. So we leave the middle part just like that. So we're gonna color it. And we're gonna make a little line right here in the bottom. And we're gonna color that as well. All right. There you go, and this is our little crayon, and we're going to be doing the same with the pink and with the red. I already have some pre-cut out ones, so they should look like this. I have a red one, a purple, a pink. I have the blue one as well. So see, our little crayons are gonna look like this. Afterwards, we're gonna get the cup and we're going to put glue about like in a section of the cups. So this is much easier to do than just doing one by one. So we're gonna put a little bit of glue right here. We're gonna get our crayon that we made and we're gonna stick it. And we just press on it tightly so it can stick. And then we're gonna get another one and stick it right next to that one. There you go, we need a little bit more glue. And we're going to stick it right next to each other. Like we're going to be doing this all the way across. So it shouldn't take long. So just like that. And let's go ahead and get a blue one out. Now you can put them in different colors or you can make a pattern. It's up to you. So I chose the different colors because I think it looks pretty. So we're gonna put more glue. Just like that. And put purple next. So I'm gonna put it like this. And not pink. And let's do red now. There we go, we're almost done. We need about like 2 more. Get orange. Another blue. And it's about 1 more, I say. And a pink one. So there you go, see? We have our cup ready to go. Just let it out for 5 to 10 minutes so you can let it dry. And then if you have any crayons laying around the table, you can take them out of a little box or anything, and then we can place them inside. And it's a really neat project because you can just put it there. So, you know, once you're coloring or you're doing school homework, you can just place it right there, get a crayon, and you can, you know, color, and then you just can put it back. So there you guys go. I hope you like this craft, and if you want more ideas or more crafts like this, you can visit our website at www.cmofbrownsville.com, and you can find more neat projects there. Thank you.